Let's go.
We're going camping! Justin! Oh, so pretty. So I impulsively bought a tent just because I had the urge to camp, and I brought Tree on my urge as well. I'm sorry.
She loves it.
She loves it. We just got the tent, what, yesterday, 2 days ago, and we're going to camp right away. Like, I just reserved the tickets yesterday, and now we're going, and I'm so excited.
It smells nice.
It smells fresh. It just rained probably like 5 minutes ago, and now it's just fully sunny. The first smell of grass. Oof.
People here definitely know how to enjoy themselves.
People really know how to have fun.
This is the parking?
Yeah, I think it's the parking. It wasn't the parking. We actually went inside the wood to look for our spot, and we got bitten a few times before we realized that we're not doing the right thing. We arrived. How are you feeling?
Itchy.
This is gonna be our best friend for 2 days. Can I set it up here?
Ta-da!
She's built. Done. Honestly, it really didn't take long at all. It was really easy to set up. Besides the pole in the middle was giving us a little bit of something. But besides that, the tent is so easy to put up. It took us probably like 10 minutes. I think that now I'm just gonna put all the sleeping bags inside, the mattresses, our clothes and stuff. After that, we're just gonna start the fire. The essentials. What? The tent is done. The inside is semi-done. It just needs a little bit of organizing. Everything that needs to be inside is inside. Wash our hands, and then we can start a fire and cook some. The tent can easily fit like 3 people. 4 people cramped, 3 people pretty comfortable. But since we're only 2, we can actually put all of our bags and our blankets and the tripod and everything we don't need. We can put it to the side. The tent has pretty good ventilation. It feels really breezy. We just opened the exit over there. Very cozy and not at all claustrophobic actually.
What I'm gonna do before starting the fire now is I'm gonna try to chip as much smaller wood as possible.
because everything around is wet.
Too good? She found a hack on TikTok that if you put chips into the fire, it's a good fire starter. So we're gonna test it out. Some of the chips are for my belly, and some of the chips are for trying to see if it's true or not.
Okay, ready for the fire?
Ready?
Okay.
Tell me you're paranoid without telling me you're paranoid. I was scared to put the matches together with the candle, just in case. What if one of the matches just lights up on its own and lights up one of the candles, and then everything is getting light up?
Oh, it's flammable. That's fire starter for you. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. That was like the fastest fire I've made.
Let's go.
Put it in the
So-
chips. Potato chips.
So when are we? Well, there's something stuck to it though. Let me grab a stick. So let me grab a stick.
So the pieces that are a little bit wet, and leave them next to the fire. That way, they're gonna get dry in a bit. And when they get dry, just push them in.
Ah, so itchy.
The pan, put on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you can put the foot on. If you want. This is how I do it, boys.
Wow. The cancer likes it. Is it getting right? Tasty, tasty, tasty.
Big dog. Okay, try.
Oh god. Just finished eating. We finished drinking the kombucha. We started and stopped the fire. We washed our hands. And now we're in a tent and we're probably gonna play some games or watch a movie. I brought my iPad with me and downloaded like 3 movies and see if we can watch some. I'm excited! Look, it looks so nice, it's so spacious. And I can put everything in there. And there's little pockets everywhere where I can put my phone. Look, look. You see this? Ah! Secure. Done. Ventilation? Even too much. I'm cold. Pillow? Done. Water? Done. Face masks? Done. Don't need it. Done. It's just fun from now on. Be a pretty little girl.
And that's what I always wanted to do.
Is it really cold?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel that cold in my hands. You have the perfect face for like a hand mask.
I know I'm perfect.
Wow.
Good. Look at Alina. Ah.
Wow.
It's
Show,
the morning
show them this.
and we're having breakfast.
Cup noodles. Literally.
What's the plan for today? So good.
If you're in the tent and you hear trees scream, ah! It's because he dropped his meat.
Why can you rip it off so I can eat it twice? You put salad and mix with everything.
No. That's not how this works. Every time.
It's everywhere I sit, it goes.
You sit in one spot, man.
So many!
Where? Oh my god, that's a big one.
I'm telling you, there's so many.
Oh my god, that's big. It's really big. Show me what? Something.
I don't know, it's kind of there. And just like that, we're packed. It took 15 minutes to pack, that's it. It was so easy. Yeah, 5 minutes of it is just like trying to get the spiders out of my tent. There were so many. The mosquito repellent works so well. I don't think I can show it on camera, but I can see mosquitoes around me, but they keep jumping away from me. They're like coming, going, coming, going, coming, coming, going.
They're probably thinking, oh, fresh meat. Oh, smell like not fresh. Oh, no. I assume. I am braggers. Wait. try the palm crackers.